Hey, Maddie, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, careful. What are you doing?
Ta-da, ta-da.
I wonder if Dad will make a giant pile of leaves for her.
Yeah, right.
Hey, we used to play leaves.
Right, exactly. Here I go. Here I go. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, look what I found.
What'd you find? A stick?
Oh, boy.
Is that a stick?
Wow. Here, here. Break this off and just have this cut.
Grandma is wrecking it.
Look, she takes the other part.
So much for that idea.
She wants that piece too. Yeah, what are you doing with those? Yeah? Well, hopefully this will calm her down and not get her riled up. Hey, Maddie, what are you doing with those sticks, Maddie? All right, that's probably enough footage.